Chromotherapy is a light therapy. Chromotherapy is used in every aspect of our life. What people don't realize is that colors have a huge effect on our psychology. There's a lot of psychology in the chromotherapy. There's a lot of marketing done with chromotherapy. We see colors every day and it affects us differently. And I'll give you a very good example. I'll use red and yellow. Red and yellow stimulate the appetite. They make us happy. They just give us a calming effect. There's a reason McDonald's is red and yellow. Hardee's is red with a yellow. Sheetz is red. Pizza Hut is red. There's a reason why people like blue and green, that they go to the beach because they like to see the water because it's blue and green, because it's got a calming effect. And the tub has the same benefit. They stimulate different aspects of our way of thinking. Some colors make us happy, some colors make us sleepy, some colors make us excited. So every color in the therapeutic rainbow does have a therapeutic benefit for you. Don't wait for a close call. Visit EZProExpress.com and make bathing safer today.